here we go, guys. Not quite sure where we're headed, but we got a few of us riding today. Sounds like a 240, 250 mile loop. A few of these bikes will be pushing in for gas. Up there we got the Jeff on the T700, Brandon on the KLR 650, and Lauren and his wife on the KTM 990. And of course I'm on the GSA. Should be a fun ride today. Sounds like we'll be going down and cutting around real close to the Capitol Reef, around through that area. Something about a buckhorn wash. It'll be good. ADV, Utah. Well, here we are in the middle of Utah. Just remember, this is where dinosaurs come from. Well, that was our off-roading right there. That was pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Oh yeah, check out Utah. Well, you just can't turn your camera off. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, I love all these boulder piles. I'm a sucker. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Wow. Look at this. Oh, yeah. What a crazy place. Right here in the middle of Utah. We're out here just looking for dinosaurs. I don't know what this black seam is through the rock. It has to be coal. When we stop, I'll talk to Jeff and see. I'm assuming that's coal, the big old coal seam. But I don't know. I guess we'll see. Look at this. Utah's just awesome. It's like, where did that big old rock come from? It didn't come from the top of that. It's like that rock must have come from. Huh.
Got Bentonite hill.
So maybe this is bentonite and not cool. That stuff is slippery. Oh wow. Look at this. Wow. Check this out. Very cool. Bentonite Hills, I guess. Now we know what it's called. Look at this. ADV, Utah. This stuff is like bug dust. Look at how cool this is. Bentonite Hills, Utah. I think that's it, but anyways, could be wrong. Very cool. I think I like the red stuff over the black stuff. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Do you like the red dirt or the black dirt? I like the red stuff. Check them out playing. Let the dust settle a little. Oh yeah. Yeah, who put all this dust out here? Did the GoPro a little wipe down. Oh, this is awesome. Beautiful desert here in Utah. Well, that wind's definitely not blowing any of the dust away. Oh yeah. Lots of fun to have out here. Better catch up. Look at these hills. Beautiful. I can't say I know exactly where we're at, and I don't have my map pulled up. Oh no, what am I opening now? Oh, Microsoft Authenticator. Oh crap. That's not what I was looking for. Well, we'll find a map soon enough. Look at this. Cedar Mountain, Russell Knight Dunes. Huh. Well, maybe these are the Russell Knight Dunes. Pretty cool. Is this a photo op? Check it out. Well, as you see, guys, we had our first tip over. Just leaving that spot, I about dumped it. She's sandy out here, real sandy. Pretty mountains though. Pretty easy to get distracted out here staring at mountains. Wow, look at that one. Oh, that is cool. These mountains are beautiful. It's so slippery out here. I got no idea how Lord keeps up, and he's got his wife on there. I couldn't imagine getting through this and not standing up. Wow, look at this. This is cool. Seeger's Hole and the Carlisle Wash. Well, this would be sandy. Wow. This is so cool. Look at this. This is cool. Wow. Check that out. That's cool. Wow, look at that. How awesome. Wow. Boy, I hope the camera's on. Look at this. Haha. Oh wow. That's cool.